Hi, happy Friday. Welcome back. Today is December 1st, so happy December. I hope you're so excited for the holiday season. Thank you so much for joining me here. I've done this the last couple of years. I've done 12 days of a couple of different things. I've done 12 days of Christmas I started with, and I did 12 days of gift giving. This year I decided I'm going to do 12 days of beauty tips. So each and every day I'm going to come here, I'm going to come live, or if I can't make it live, I'll have a pre-recorded video for you, but I'm hoping to make it live every single day for 12 days in December. So it'll be December 1st to December 12th. So make sure you turn on your notifications if you don't have your notifications on for this page, or I'll also be posting these on my YouTube channel too. So if you're not on, haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do that too. Turn your notifications on there as well, and you'll get notifications every day when I post my video. So it'll be sometime throughout the day, and today is day number 1. So I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I have 12 different tips that I'm really excited to share with you and show you exactly how to do. So today, as you can probably see, we are going to do some eyeshadow. So, and what I did here, this is so simple. I only used 2 liquid eyeshadows. That's it. It's the only thing I used on my eyes. I used the Light Beam, and I'm going to use Purple Nova. So those are the only 2 things. As you hop on here, go ahead and let me know you're here. Tell me hi. Hi, Sandra. Hello. I'm so glad you hopped on. Yes, tell me that you're watching. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me if you're excited about this series. It's going to be 12 days, like I said, that I'm going to be going live, and I'm going to be doing different videos and different tips for you. So one cool thing is that I'm going to get into this here real quick. But this is going to be so simple. Anybody can do this look. It is going to be so simple. The most complicated part is going to be the mascara, just because it takes the longest. But that's it. It's not complicated. It's super easy to do. It's just that's what's going to take me the longest. So I'm going to get started with this. As I get started, know that when you purchase with me, you can shop my link. So I'll put it down below in the description. I don't think I put it in the video comment, so I'll put it down below this video. And if you shop with me during the 12 days of beauty tips, you are actually going to get a freebie from me. So what that will be, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just putting this Light Beam all over my eye. That's what we're going to get started with. So the freebie is actually a Holiday Glam Class. So I did this. I know I talked about this on, yay, I'm so glad you're excited, Sandra. That makes me so happy to hear. I know I talked about this yesterday on my weekly Thursday night video. I talked about how you can purchase with me throughout these 12 days. Any $30 order will qualify you for the Holiday Glam Makeup Class. What that will include is some samples sent right to you from me. So I'll send you some samples. It'll include eyeshadows, a lip color, a blush color, and then I also have a video that's attached to it that you can follow right along and do the same things that I do. So you can follow the video and try out your samples at the same time. So I did this back in the summertime, and it was so well received. If you received that class, go ahead and let me know down below. Tell me what you thought about it. But lots of my customers loved it. Just being able to use the exact same products that I was using in my video and test them out before you purchase them. And always know that anytime you do purchase anything with me through Mary Kay, it is always 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you ever don't like something, let me know. We can always make sure that you find something that you are going to love. All right, so I just put on that Light Beam all over my eye. So you can see it's just right along my eyelid. I put it all over. I put it right underneath my brow bone, all the way here on the outside, all the way in the inside, and that's it. So the Light Beam is going to be that lighter color that you can see there. Then we're going to accent in the outer portion with my Purple Nova. So I love the liquid eyeshadows. They are some of my favorite products because they are just so easy to use. They're simple, they're easy to use, and there's only 4 colors too. So I love all 4. The purple one is the one I feel like people are usually thinking, oh my gosh, that's really dark. But this is how I use the Purple Nova all the time. I just put it right here in this outer corner, and we're going to just kind of blend it out. And I really like it paired with the Light Beam, like I have it. So you can see it just kind of blends out nice and naturally. You can add as many layers as you want. So I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to pat this out. So that's how I'm going to get started blending it. I am going to blend it with my blending brush here in just a second too. But when it's all still kind of liquidy and it's still, I want to like make sure that I get it exactly where I want it to be. So I'm just kind of patting it around just to make sure that the color's dispersed. And then we'll blend it to make sure we don't have any harsh lines afterwards. So like I said, you can always do multiple layers too. So on this side, I did 2 layers. You'll see once I blend it, it looks a lot lighter too. So that's why I really like these liquid eyeshadows. They're so easy to use. This is such an easy everyday look that you can recreate too. I know people, especially, I don't know, the holidays, they just get so busy. So I'm sure I'm in the same boat. I always feel like I want to make sure that I'm doing my makeup and I want to still have my makeup on. However, I want it to be as quick and simple as possible. So especially around the holiday time, you just have so much going on. So having a simple everyday eyeshadow combination is something that I really, really love and appreciate. So you can see here, I'm just taking, this is my fluffy blending brush too. It's called on my website, Eye Blending Brush. And you can see as I'm blending that out, how much softer the color gets too. So much softer. So if you like it to look really natural, really light, you can do just 1 coat of the Purple Nova. I am going to add 1 more coat so that it matches my other side over here. And you can always clean this up too. Again, the liquid eyeshadows are so easy to use. And one cool thing is yesterday, I actually did this combination yesterday too. And I did, if you go back and watch my live, or it's on YouTube as well, but you can watch that tutorial, and I took it from a day look to a night look. So I did this exact eyeshadow combination that I'm showing you right now, and I turned it from what it looks like over here, so just nice and natural, into a night look. So if you want to see how I did that, you can go back and watch it. But the one thing I want you to pay attention to is how well it stayed. So after being on all day long, after being on for hours, it still looked like this. And that is one thing I really appreciate, because so often whenever I've tried other brands of liquid eyeshadows, they crease. And I don't like that. I hate when my makeup creases. I really hate when my eyeshadow creases, or my eyeliner kind of goes up above and it like creates that second eyeliner line that we don't want in the middle of your eye. So that's one thing I really, really love about this makeup, is that it does not crease. It is very high quality, so that's my favorite part. So I'm just patting this out now. Again, this is just my second coat, and we're going to blend it one more time. But I'm just kind of making sure that that pigment is exactly where I want it to be. I love the Purple Nova too. So there's the 2 colors that I used today, and there's 2 other colors too. And I'm just wiping my finger on like a little towel. It's a little makeup towel. It's what I use to remove my makeup, but just in case you're wondering what I'm doing with that excess. But anyway, there's 2 other colors as well. There's Pink Starlight, which is kind of like a light rosy gold color. It's very similar to the Light Beam, just has a little bit of a pink tint to it. And then the other one is Meteor Shower, which is kind of like a grayish brown color. Alright, so I'm going to just blend this out here. And as I said before, if you are just now hopping on, or you're catching the replay, go ahead and let us know that you're watching. Tell us where you're watching from, and tell me what you think about this eyeshadow combination. So again, it's super easy. If I was not talking through this entire thing, it would be much, much quicker. It would only take me, I would say it takes me about 1 minute to do my eyeshadow and my, I feel like that's still a little bit darker, so I'm going to add just a little bit more, just because I want it to match the other side. And the other side I did a little bit darker, but you can, like I said, you can always do just 1 simple coat of it too. And you can tell each time I keep applying it, it changes a little bit. So it looks a little bit darker over here, but when I very first put that very first layer on, it was so natural and so pretty. Okay. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to leave it just like that. So, like I said, tell me down below what you think about this eyeshadow combination. Do you like it? Would you replicate it? And if you're wondering what I have on my lips today, I have on my lips, this is Berry Delight lip gloss. So, and that's all I have on, just the lip gloss. I think it has a really nice, pretty color to it, and it does pop a lot, which I do really like about this lip gloss. Alright, one last blend just to make sure that we don't have any harsh lines here. Alright, And now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. One other cool thing that I'm doing this month is I am offering a promotion. So if you are not currently working with another beauty consultant, or you're not a beauty consultant yourself and you want to sign up to be a part of my team, get the discount. So on my team, we have multiple different kinds of team members. We have team members who do this just for the discount, just to get the product. We have team members who do this for a business. We have team members who just get it for family and friends. All kinds of different people run this in different ways. So that is totally up to you. I am not pushy. I do not make you sell the product. You can sell the product, and if you want to sell the product, I have so many tutorials and so many trainings that can help you sell it, especially virtually. That's kind of where I specialize. I love the virtual world. I think we can reach people a lot quicker. I think that you can reach more people. I think it can be more impactful. But if you are looking to do this business, or you just want to do it for the discount, this month I'm actually offering a promotion for everybody who signs up on our team. So my whole team is working on building their teams this month, and everybody gets prizes when somebody signs up. So if that's something that you've ever been interested in, getting the discount or signing up for the discount, signing up to sell, you can let me know. You can comment down below and just say sign up, and I can shoot you over some information. Excuse me. But anyway, for the month of December, oh my goodness. It's like I choked on a bug or something. But for the month of December, anyway, I am offering some promotions, so you get a gift for signing up. And again, you can't be working with another Mary Kay consultant, and you cannot be a consultant yourself. But if those two things, if you don't qualify for either of those, then you can let me know, and I would be happy to give you a little bit more information as well. All right, I am putting on right now the Lash Fan Aroma Mascara. I love the Lash Fan Aroma Mascara. It's so easy to use. The bristles grab the small little lashes, and they grab the long lashes. And as you saw before, I did use my eyelash curler before I applied the mascara. And then I'm just going to grab these little lashes down there too. And then that's it. So that's today. That's day one. So again, day one, the tip was how to use only 2 liquid eyeshadows to create a really pretty everyday makeup combination, eyeshadow combination. So that was day number 1. Join me back here tomorrow for day number 2. Comment down below too and tell me, what tips are you hoping to see? I already have all 12 mapped out. I already know what I'm covering, but I would love to know what tips you would like to see. What do you feel like you get stuck on? Makeup and skincare. So this is going to cover makeup and skincare products throughout this entire 12 days. And it's not just all about the products either. It's about the tips and how to properly apply things, how to properly do things to make sure that you have the best results possible. So thank you guys again so much for joining me. And like I said before, if you want to shop these products, or you want to shop during my 12 days to get that free makeup class, that holiday makeup class, my link will be down below right in the comments, as long as you are not working with another beauty consultant. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you turn your notification bells on Facebook and on YouTube so that you can make sure you see these videos as soon as I post them. And I'll be back here live tomorrow for day number 2. I'll see you guys later. Have a great Friday.